Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Bullymake box review. It's a box for this one right here. She's really excited, so we're just going to get into it. And these are some of the treats we got in the box. We got the Bullymake Snowflake Snackers. And then we got exclusively dog Best Buddy Bones in peanut butter flavor. Also, we have the Bullymake Bento Bones. Those are kind of like the dentist sticks, and Riley really love these bones. And the last toy we got was like a nylon candy cane, and they're made for extreme chewers. Well guys, it's been about 3 weeks and I just want to update you on the toys that she had. She's been chewing on them all the time, and the candy cane here is still looking good. It still looks like a candy cane. It just gets like a little frayed with like a bunch of carpet fibers, but she doesn't seem to care. Do you want this? No? I'm gonna. You win? Oh. And she still loves it, so there you go. And the other toy that they sent us is still in great shape, so that's standing the test of this power. Bullymake actually sent me this box for review, and I'm really glad they did. If you want to get a box for your crazy pup, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.